Hey guys, Pokemon Rhombus. No power.
No power. We are. It's freezing out there. It's a huge snowstorm. Want to see?
Look at that snow
Snow
everywhere
in October.
in October.
Oh my gosh.
Trees down everywhere.
Trees.
We don't have much time. The
We-
mafia is coming for us.
The mafia. Wait, what?
No, all right. So that will be in our background. 200th video. We
Our
got
200th video. We
these Hail Blizzard. Go figure.
hail blizzard. Because it's a hail blizzard
Yeah,
outside.
came yesterday, just like the horror.
Yeah.
And then
Psycho Drive.
Psycho Drive
Because we're going psycho.
from No Power.
And cold.
All right, so
Oh wait, we're doing Psycho Drive first.
I was gonna go split them 10 and 10.
Oh yeah. Okay. You want me to open this?
Yeah. Oh my god.
They're so adorable, but I'm so.
These
freezing.
are a lot smaller than I thought.
Yeah. Even I knew they were small, but.
I thought that I got gypped off. One,
Holy
two,
crap.
3.
I hope we have enough battery for at least one box. We're doing one box in each video.
Yeah.
By the way.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you open this?
It was such a pain to get here.
Yeah, I can imagine. Oh,
Well, actually, it's just your
yeah.
just the road
That's
leading
true.
up to your street. Because, like, I'm going and there's like piles of snow like at intervals,
Yeah.
and I have to wait for the plows to come by and plow me an area, and I'm like, oh, I hate you.
I hate you guys.
But the sun is melting the snow.
The sun is melting the sun. Hopefully we don't have school tomorrow.
2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. There's your 10.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, so
Okay,
let's
so
start
Psycho
off.
Drive first.
Oh, what are we doing first?
Psycho Drive.
Alright, so we'll start off with Psycho Drive.
Because it comes first.
Pack.
Even though Kiro.
I haven't opened a lot of Japanese packs.
I've opened a lot, but
Oh my god.
I wouldn't say a lot. But I've opened a significant amount.
I'm gonna be opening some of the. Oh, there we go. Yes. Alright, first pack.
Let's do this.
Alright. Oh,
We're not in the basement,
Got
by the
it.
way. Oh, Solosis!
so what's this? Blitzel.
Well, I'm gonna get mine.
Is that. This is Chinchino.
No, Minchino.
Minchino.
M for Mini.
M for mini, alright. Oh, Pincer, Pins!
Pinsir, Pinsir!
Alright, that's the first pack. You know how worried I am that we're not gonna get anything?
I'm pretty worried. Hopefully at least a full art. I mean,
Yeah.
if we don't get a full art, that's just so
I'm gonna cry.
pointless. I know.
Alright.
Come on, you can do it.
Simisage?
No.
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 Simisear?
No.
No.
Oh,
Pansear.
second part. Yep.
Pansear.
Fancy.
Huh. I hate my life.
I could say them, but I'm not gonna spoil it.
That'll be that one. This is Cricketot.
Paraseed.
Paraseed.
Reuniclus.
Reuniclus.
So cute.
And mine
Oh,
Shao.
mine show. Oh, that freaking Reuniclus. Oh, look how cute he is. Oh yeah, that's coming in Noble Victories.
Yeah, I
They
know.
shoved it in there. They're like, let's put it in Noble Victories, and it's like, yeah.
Japanese packets.
I'm like shaking.
Basculin.
Oh,
Hello. Meow.
Basculin. Is this the cool pile?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's all right. I mean, I don't like that Pokemon, but you know,
It's the cool pile.
you like Mushari.
No, but
It is cool artwork.
it's well. That's like the last card in the packs. Got a Grimer Grime.
Grimer or Grime?
Luxio. No.
Yeah,
Luxio. Is that Panpour?
Yeah. Yeah. Panpour. XP share.
XP share.
Shift tree. That's kind of cool.
Shift tray.
Shift tray.
He shifts trays.
He shifts 3 things. Yeah.
No power.
I know.
No life.
No existence.
Oh, we got something else. That's something. This is Scraggly.
Scrag.
Scraggly. Scraggy.
Squaggly. Oh, that's my Kalio.
Looks cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the ridiculous
that-
one that's also in Noble Victories.
Yeah. Brillish.
Brillish.
Congo.
I know Conkeldurr. I'm just trying
Took
to...
me a
And that's
second.
mine Chow.
That's my Kalio. That's so cool they put that on the victories. That's awesome.
Yeah, because it gets plus 20 HP.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. I want to build a deck around that because it's really good. Its attack is awesome too.
Dulosis. Oh,
Duosion.
Duosion.
It's adorable.
C-Dot. That's Timber.
I love that
Simipour.
artwork. It's so good.
It's like, hey guys, what's up?
What's up? Oh,
Pharaoh
let's see.
Thorn. Card with a little Japanese guy.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just realized that.
I hope we do good on battery. Usually it just shows that, but it's not very accurate. If it starts doing that battery icon in the middle, that's bad.
Got another.
Oh, it's a hollow. Okay. Blitzel.
Blitz with a shh.
Sorry. That went too big. Oh my god. This is the first card we got.
I know. Solosis.
Yes.
Solo.
Sis.
Star Year.
Oh,
Articuno.
that's cool. I love Articuno.
And a city.
Sky Arrow Bridge.
And a city.
Sky Arrow Bridge. And a city. You like my adorable kitty?
So we still haven't pulled anything.
Oh, that's stuff. It's just not.
Not stuff that I want.
That's so cool. I can't even remember right now. Swaloon.
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 This is Muna. This is Nuzleaf. This is the evolved form of Muna.
Musharna.
And this is Blitzel.
Zebstrika.
I'm bad.
You are a bad person. That's awesome. Oh no, he said that. I love him. Oh my god, I'm cold!
Bees everywhere.
Oh, I wish they were everywhere. That means it would be summer.
Girder.
You're just like...
Minchino.
Oh my god. Shinx, that's adorable!
Shinx. Kyogre.
Kyogre EX. Oh, look at it. Oh my god, that looks so cool.
It's going in my book.
I wonder how they're gonna do that in English. I can't wait to see those.
It's not
There's
texture.
no texture. Yeah, because it's an EX. It's not a...
Well, we're not sure because of the Flare EXs.
Yeah.
What's the ratio for pulling a Flare EX?
1 and 2 boxes.
Oh,
So we should get 1 at least. Hopefully we'll get lucky.
Panseer. Ferroseed. Muna. Semaseer.
Say it. Yeah, Simisear. Sorry.
It's not Semasage.
Simis
And the bridge!
The Sky Arrow Bridge.
And the bridge. Alright, Andrew, you're up for your 10.
Oh, really? Cool. I'm excited.
Andrew, why do you have a tub of ice cream?
Because it's limited edition. And it's empty, by the way. I want to keep a full tub of
Why
ice
do you
cream.
need ice cream? It's already so cold.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Oop. First pack for me! If I could even open these from how freezing my fingers are. You already saved some, so you're good. I am so cold. Okay, Star, you... Nuzleaf. See that? And freaking amazing Luxray. Look at that sexy beast.
He's a cat.
Yeah.
Well, he's like a lion cat.
Oh, he's so awesome. Look at it. Oh, and a Starmie. Oh, he's so adorable. Well, adorable in a cool way. Did these go shoved in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Pinsir. Just, there you go. Hold on, I'm gonna open it with the easy open.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
Yeah, except now it kind of just leaves it like that, and it's like, can I access you? Okay, good. I got it, soul. Shinkusu? That's not his Japanese name. Grimer.
Grime.
Kricketot.
Andrew doesn't like that.
Ferrothorn. Oh, I forgot there was a pile for those. Okay.
I'm getting all the hollows because they're all my cards.
I know.
Oh, that EX.
Some people think there's codes on here. Some people think there's codes on here, and I'm like, there's no codes. That's only for English packs. And then they're like, girder, Duosion, Frillish, Jellison. It's cool artwork, but I mean, I don't like that Pokemon at all. And Persian.
He has a big mustache.
It reminds me of, it just makes me think of like Super Mario 64 for some reason. Like I think of like Princess Peach and like, I guess Mario, I don't know. It just, I'm weird. Opening pack.
It's a mustache.
Yeah. I wonder if that was intentional. Princess Peach and Mario. Well, I mean, everyone knows Probopass is Mario, but yeah, okay. Timber. Timber. I'm freezing. Swadloon. Minchino. Oh, Shaman EX. That is a sexy card.
It's like,
oh, so awesome. Look at it.
Look at it.
Look at it. I want all of you to look at it.
Oh, my hands are cold.
My name is Shaman. I know I'm freaking freezing here. And a muck.
Spelled
Backwards is
a word.
a word. I'm just yeah, there we go. Psycho Derive.
Shiny.
Oh, I don't want to give my hopes up for that.
What if shiny we pull?
Wait, what? What'd you say? What if shiny we pull?
Yeah.
Oh, what if we pull a shiny? Okay.
What if shiny if we pull?
Yes.
Right.
Luxio.
Luxio.
It's kind of a glare. Now I can see it. Is that better? Yeah, that's much better. Okay, good. Well, it's still kind of there. Who cares? Oops. Mind foo. Pour, because he's pouring. Okay. And Chinchino. Chinchino. Awesome artwork, if I do say so myself.
It's like my hair is my scar.
Yes, because I am adorable. Substracto. Boop.
Come on, one more EX. Mewtwo EX. So I can get.
And then get them all again when they come out in English. Yeah!
Yeah, boy.
Boy!
Boing.
Boy! Japanese packs are fun to open.
You're just throwing them on the ground.
I am. Meowth. Meowth. Sloses.
Hey, Hokage.
Blitzel. Hey, Cricketoon, I mean. And XP share.
Nope, it's One Piece.
Nope, it's Cold Piece.
I wish we had power.
I wish we had... Not cold! I hate winter.
It's not winter, it's fall.
I know! Sawaddle, Squagglies, Basculin, Jellicent, and Musharna. My dad is still not home with a freaking breakfast, and it's 12. It's freaking almost 12.
You looked for a clock.
I know I did.
No power.
Oh my gosh.
It's past 12, I think.
It should be 12 something. Yeah. See, I'm good with time lapses.
I had eggs and...
Beans.
No.
Bao. Oh, I mean, pan. Sear. Sorry, it's really hard with the Japanese because I start reading the Japanese and then it's like Pharaoh Seed, Luxio. See that's the same. Moltres. Moltres.
Number 3.
I wish there was a Moltres in my room right now. And Pan Simi-Sear. Oh my gosh.
You're still the warmth from my arm.
Thank you. I wish I had something really warm so that I could eat.
Darumaka poop.
You had to say that. Oh my gosh. Freaking Darumaka. Okay. Frillish.
Maka in the form of
Grimmer. Swaloon. Oh my gosh,
Yes.
really?
Got
I've never seen someone get 3 EXs in a box. Unless I was just not paying attention, but oh my gosh, that's really cool. Because I thought you only get 2 EXs. That's awesome. Look at that. Sexy beast.
Oh, I got every EX. Well,
That's awesome.
every regular EX.
Every regular EX. That's awesome. And a level ball.
One more pack.
Let's hope for full art in this pack.
Or a shiny.
That's not likely. Likely.
Dun-dun-dun, all 3 level up. Or EXs.
Yeah, all 3 of them. I really want QRM EX.
Too many.
That's one too many. Girder, Solosis, Minchino, Simi-Pour, and a multi-energy. I mean Prism Energy. Right. So that was our Psycho Drive box. Oh my gosh, I'm freezing. You want to recap?
Yeah.
Let's do hollows first. Okay, we got Moltres. I wish this would heat my hands up. Chinchino. Luxray.
You just skipped.
Leaveney. Articuno.
Articuno's outside right now.
Oh, shut up. Conkeldurr.
Conkeldurr.
Is that all the hollows? Do we miss one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. That's all of them.
So we got everything.
We got every standard card,
Alright, so.
I guess, right? And here's the EXs. We got Mewtwo, Shaman, and Kyogre.
Yeah!
Which I think might be a first on YouTube. I don't know if I've seen... I might have just mistaken myself, but... Pretty sure I've only seen 2
on you! Damn!
Even though it wasn't.
Alright,
Okay, so bye, guys.
Bye.